Hi guys, it's Canadian Bacon, and I'm back with the second Call of War video, or third even. And I recorded this video earlier, and it was a lot longer than this one is going to be. But basically, when I recorded it, it didn't actually record, so I'm just re-recording it now. And in this general area, I have a very small army, 14 light tanks and 3 mediums is basically the large portion. Anyway, so what I was doing was I brought a bunch of ships in here. Here, I forgot I had these guys. Anyway, so I brought a bunch of ships into here to block off the Mediterranean. And basically I completely reinforced the Maginot. I made a joke here that when I was moving tanks there, I was like, I gotta close this gap. Yeah, and I moved some tanks down here after I had applied to Spain's coalition because I'm afraid of Spain. So yeah, that's the basic gist of what I did in the video. Hopefully tomorrow's video on this game will actually record and it won't be this short. See ya.